Hey y'all, Digital Shaman here, and let's jump right on in. Today's another, whoa, not a money reading. We switching gear. Okay, should this be a money reading? 444 Angel reading. How to find your spiritual calling or path. A lot of people, spirituality is just so vast. A lot of people always ask me, I don't know where to begin. I don't know where to begin. So let's just do a reading for the collective and see if we can get some clues. Eight of Cups, Justice, Hangman, Ace of Pentacles. Okay. First of all, the spiritual awakening has been waiting. If you've been drawn to this reading, your guides have been waiting for this enlightenment. But first and foremost, it's going to be a slow journey. Eight of Cups, that's someone who, when you're really just fed up, like, I don't do a lot of relationships reading, but when the Eight of Cups shows up, I know that that person's serious. Like, you're walking away. Like, you're not playing around. Eight is a powerful number. So, to me, this signifies, along with this Justice card, Justice is karma, is the events in your life that have y'all walking away. You're now walking the karmic events. Karmic events have unfolded, and now you're walking towards this path of enlightenment. The Ace of Pentacles is about supporting your body during this process, receiving gifts. Like, it's, even though the Pentacles, yes, traditionally is always financial. I like this term here, material gain. Material does not have to be money, but you will find that the knowledge, the journey, the path itself is the gain. Like, spirit is offering you this gift. Do you want to take it? So let's clarify. Actually, before we go to the Justice card, we want to keep, like, what's the story here? Karma, journey, enlightenment. Let's clarify the Hangman with two cards. Let's see what's going on. Again, this path opening up intuition. Queen of Cups, Ace of Swords. A lot of aces. Oh, yeah. One thing about the spiritual world, at least in my opinion, you're going to think differently from others, and the sooner you can accept that, the quicker you can go on your journey. Ace of Sparks, a different way of thinking. Queen of Cups, she's intuitive. So I think the first step is, it's not about studying astrology, numerology, and tarot, and Reiki, and listen to your intuition. Are you hearing it? Let's draw some cups right here around our queen. How can one listen more to their intuition? It's gentle. Oh, actually, a three. Okay, spirit is. Some of y'all do need a plan. Some of y'all are not just go with the flow types. But Three of Wands is feeling steady and being secure traditionally in where you want to go. But I'm reading this as being secure, as in, is that really what I'm hearing? Yes, look at this. Angels, guidance. And this lion represents our animal, carnal, 3D human self. And that needs to be tamed in a way so that you can hear spirit. Cooperation. Actually, yeah, that's funny. Both these Three of Wands and the Strength card is cooperation. Discovery. Oh, that's what I'm hearing. Your ships are coming in. That's your God saying, yes, can we now pull this boat into the dock? Can we now anchor this boat? Are they gonna listen to us? They've been waiting. Like I said, this is Hangman, patience. They've been waiting. So step one, listen to your intuition. Go follow that path right here. Let yourself be gentled by the voice of spirit. Let's see. Let's now take a look at some of this karma that has brought you all to the point of, okay, I gotta explore some spirituality here, things, or whoa, I just gotta go into, where's my Eight of Cups? I just gotta go in a different direction in my life. So let's see. Let's make some. All right, tarot cards everywhere. Let me pull 2 cards around the justice. Let's clarify what is that about. Destiny changing. I love Wheel of Fortune. That's one of my favoriteest cards in the deck. Yeah. A lot of people are not going to be down. Absolutely not down for you all changing and trying to find some peace. Because let's go all the way back. Hangman, that's my yoga guy too. Hangman is just hanging out in the tree doing him being enlightened. And Wheel of Fortune does not come to play right there. Like you see the in the corners, y'all see those books? That's the answer. So we're gonna get our next guidance as to first step is Queen of Cups. But this 7 of Wands, that's people you're gonna have to be. You see this person right here standing on top of the hill looking at all the let's just say threats and disruptions to them, but you're sturdy enough. We have a lot of wands with this reading. Hold on, let me look. Yeah, a lot of wands. Y'all have the energy to combat that. Y'all have the energy to combat that. These are the people that want to pull you off of this journey. But since our Wheel of Fortune, aka our study card, is right here, what is it that they need to study to get them going, to get this wheel turning, to get them on this journey, so they can be gentle enough to hear the voice of spirit? What do we need to know here? More angels? Temperance, getting our formula right. I have another thought too. Ooh, meditation. They said it, I didn't. I believe steadily in meditation is, and I just have to say this because people still think that meditation means not thinking. It's not possible to not think. That is the what is it, DYR? Do your own research. There's so many levels of meditation. You could just, Insight Timer is a great, you can just listen to an affirmation a day. You can do a walking meditation, or you can sit formally on the floor, blah, 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 and go quiet. Figure out what works for you. But I do believe meditation is a key component in not even just a spiritual, and just reducing the chaos and keeping yourself calm in your life. So meditation, and it's funny, we really are getting the studies card. There's something you guys are going to have to study, maybe possibly on an individualized path here, because temperance also represents Sagittarius. Sagittarius, the centaur, is a teacher. But I also feel like keeping it simple, because this download came to me quick. This person's only holding 2 cups, trying to get the formula right. Don't pick up no more than 2 books or two topics. Don't overwhelm yourself. Don't overwhelm yourself. And I mean, unfortunately, I think you be studying anything. Like right here, these people got 4 books. 4 books all through in the corners. But right now, I'm telling y'all, don't overwhelm yourself. Let's clarify the temperance, see if we can get some more guidance on maybe with those topics or the approach to studying. And then we're going to go ahead and wind this reading down. What you got, temperance? King of Cups. Another person holding cups. Another intuitive. Yeah, intuition. I mean, that's stamped. All right, so the first thing we said, learning how to hear the voice of intuition and maybe even understanding. So let's take it a step back before I pull this potentially last card. There's 4 types of intuition: clairsentience, clairaudience. So that's something to study. Ancestors? We just had cups. Yeah, cups and wands. I mean, minus and then two. I guess we hit all suites, but the majority cups and wands. Some of y'all gonna be reunited. Like I said, those guys have been waiting, but it's gonna bring joy to your life. So to recap this reading, definitely. King of Cups. Like I said, that's still an intuitive person, but maturity. That's where you're gonna go. So intuition, meditation, new way of thinking, and accepting that when you're on this path, you're going to be a new way of thinking, potentially yoga. Hangman is my yoga guy. Ancestor veneration. This is a happy family here. Yeah, but all right, we're going to go ahead and wind this down. We're going to thank the angels for chiming in. They definitely, hello, temperance and strength. They definitely made sure to come through to provide some guidance. So I hope this reading was helpful. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.